Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will give you the Copado AI certification worth $250 completely free. I will show you the exact step-by-step process to create your Copado account, then how to start learning, how to schedule your exam, and how to get a free certification voucher. Make sure you watch till the end because I will also tell you how you can join my WhatsApp group to access a free voucher updates. First of all, you need to create a Copado account. So for creating a Copado account, you need to search for the Copado Success Community into the Google and go to the first link here. If you are a new user, then you need to sign up. Click on the sign up button. You need to fill up your basic information just like the first name, last name, username, and then you will get an verification email on your registered email ID. You need to verify the email ID, and after that you can log in into with your registered email ID. Once you logged in your Copado account, then you need to click on the training and go to the academy section. Here you can see there are lots of certification and lots of courses are available. Depend on the role. The developer, they have a different set of courses are available. So first you need to start learning. You can complete all this module, okay? And then if you want to register a certification, then again go back to the academy, and these all are the certifications that are available. So I'll show you how to register for a certification into the Copado. Then okay, click on the certification, whatever your certification you want, then add the certification to the cart. Go to the cart. This is your checkout page, and here you need to enter a coupon that I will provide you for the Copado AI certification. I will not providing the certification for this. Instead of, I will provide a certification for the Copado AI course. This is the Copado AI certification trail worth $250. I will provide this certification coupon for free. Right now, I have done the Copado AI certification trail. Then, if you want to do the certification, then click on this certification. You need to complete all this module. And after that, at finally, you have to give a 1 hour examination, which is of the Copado AI certifications. Copado provides a free voucher through webinars, events, and learning program. So always keep an eye on official opportunities. If you want a free Copado AI certification voucher, I will be sharing a limited voucher and updates inside my WhatsApp group. Join the WhatsApp group using the link in the description. I will drop the coupon codes there. And if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more Salesforce and DevOps guides, and hit the bell so you don't miss free voucher updates. Good luck with your certification journey. You have got this. Also comment Copado below so I know you if you are interested. Don't forget to join the WhatsApp group. I will give the link in the description, and I will drop the coupon codes in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.